Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fish Deeper app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fish Deeper is a smart fishing app designed to work with Deeper's castable sonars, helping anglers locate fish, map water bodies, and track conditions in real time. The app provides detailed depth maps, underwater structure visuals, fish icons, and temperature readings. It also allows users to mark waypoints, log catches, and analyze fishing spots to improve results. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many anglers praise the app for its accurate sonar readings, detailed mapping features, and the ability to create personal bathymetric maps of lakes and rivers. It's also useful for planning trips, as users can check weather forecasts, moon phases, and water conditions. The interface is straightforward, and offline map saving is a highlight for remote fishing areas. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Since it relies on Deeper sonar devices, its full functionality is only available if you purchase the hardware. Some users report occasional connectivity issues between the sonar and smartphone, and the app may drain battery faster during extended use. A subscription is also required for advanced mapping and historical data storage, which could feel limiting for casual users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Fish Deeper app may be worth using if you're an angler who already owns or plans to buy a Deeper sonar device. It excels in real-time mapping, fish tracking, and trip planning. However, without the hardware or subscription, its value becomes limited, making it less ideal for casual or budget-conscious fishers. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.